Modern cameras have become marvels of precision, packing cutting-edge technology into sleek, compact bodies. But for many photographers, something feels missing: the soul of classic film cameras. The tactile controls, the mechanical feedback, the undeniable aesthetic charm of vintage cameras, they were more than just tools, they were experiences. Now, it looks like Canon is stepping into this space with something truly special. Leaks and speculation suggest that Canon is working on a new retro-inspired camera, potentially called the Canon -1 Rupee. If these leaks prove true, we could be witnessing the return of timeless charm merged with state-of-the-art imaging technology. Let's explore the details and examine whether the Canon -1 Rupee is set to redefine retromodern photography. Canon's history with iconic designs. Over the decades, brands like Nikon, Fujifilm, and OM System have successfully tapped into nostalgia, blending old-school aesthetics with modern mirrorless technology. Nikon's ZFC, for example, has been a major success, proving that the market for retro-style cameras is stronger than ever. But Canon, a company with a rich heritage of iconic designs, has yet to make a bold move in this direction, until now. With its strong legacy of cameras like the legendary AE-1 and ABE-1, Canon seems perfectly positioned to enter the retro revival trend. Is the Canon -1 Rupee finally happening? Canon has not officially confirmed the development of the -1 Rupee, but recent remarks from Junichi Murakami, director of optical development at Canon's R&D Center, provide some intriguing hints. In an interview, Murakami acknowledged the increasing consumer interest in retro designs, noting that Canon values customer feedback. While he neither confirmed nor denied the existence of such a project, his comments strongly suggest that something is brewing behind the scenes. This has fueled speculation that Canon may be working on a camera that draws inspiration from its legendary past while embracing cutting-edge technology. A modern take on the AE-1? If Canon does release a retro-inspired camera, the AE-1 seems like the obvious choice for inspiration. Launched in 1976, the AE-1 was groundbreaking, offering user-friendly controls and advanced functionality in a beautifully designed body. With its ergonomic contours and signature pentaprism hump, it remains one of the most beloved film cameras ever made. A modern mirrorless version of the AE-1 could be a game-changer, featuring a full-frame sensor, advanced autofocus, and wireless connectivity while maintaining the vintage design language that made it famous. A bold departure. Could the -1 Rupee look like the QL-17G3? Some rumors suggest that Canon might take a different approach, drawing inspiration from the QL-17G3, a unique rangefinder-style camera from the 1970s. With its asymmetrical form, compact design, and protruding lens barrel, the QL-17 was unconventional and eye-catching. If the -1 Rupee combines the classic elegance of the AE-1 with the quirky charm of the QL-17, it could stand out in a market saturated with predictable designs. Canon -1 Rupee specs. What to expect? The rumored features of the -1 Rupee make it even more exciting. Reports suggest that Canon might offer two versions, one with a full-frame sensor and another with an APS-C sensor. This dual approach could cater to a wide range of photographers, from casual users to professionals. Additional potential features include vari-angle LCD display, a must-have for modern content creators, allowing for flexible shooting angles. Advanced autofocus system. Canon's renowned dual-pixel AF could be a game-changer for both photographers and videographers. Wireless connectivity. Instant image sharing and remote control via smartphone apps. Classic physical dials. A return to the satisfying manual controls that film photographers love. Compact and lightweight body. Ideal for street photography and travel. If Canon successfully blends vintage aesthetics with modern features, the -1 Rupee could be a perfect balance between form and function. The retro camera market, Canon's perfect timing. The mirrorless camera market has seen tremendous growth, and the demand for retro-style models has surged. Nikon's ZFC and ZF models have proven that consumers are willing to invest in classic aesthetics paired with contemporary technology. Fujifilm's X100 series continues to be a fan favorite, offering a vintage feel with modern capabilities. Canon likely sees the opportunity to make its mark in this space, and the -1 Rupee could be its answer to the competition. Additionally, the rise of social media has amplified the appeal of stylish, visually striking products. A camera like the -1 Rupee with its nostalgic design and advanced features, could become a favorite among photographers and influencers alike. Whether it's for professional shoots or Instagram aesthetics, this camera could find its place in the hands of creators across various fields. The challenge: balancing nostalgia and practicality. For Canon, the -1 rupee would be more than just a new camera, it would be a statement. A way to reconnect with its roots while proving that it remains innovative and responsive to consumer demand. However, success will depend on how well Canon balances nostalgia with practicality. If the -1 rupee prioritizes aesthetics but lacks essential modern features, it could struggle to gain traction. Conversely, if it offers a perfect fusion of old-school charm and cutting-edge functionality, it could become a major hit. Will the Canon -1 rupee change retro photography? While we don't have all the answers yet, the idea of a Canon -1 rupee is thrilling. Whether it embraces the classic elegance of the RE-1 or incorporates the eccentricity of the QL-17, it has the potential to be a game-changer in the industry. This camera wouldn't just be a nostalgic throwback. It could redefine how we think about camera design, valuing individuality and creativity just as much as technical innovation. Final thoughts. The Canon RE-1's rumored specs, unique design possibilities, and Canon's clear interest in customer feedback make it a camera worth anticipating. Will it revolutionize the world of retro-inspired digital cameras, or simply pay tribute to Canon's storied past? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: the anticipation surrounding this camera is at an all-time high. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a newcomer looking for a stylish and powerful camera, the -1 rupee could be the perfect blend of heritage and modern performance. What do you think? Would you be interested in a retro-inspired Canon camera? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from technology in the future.